Hi everyone, this is a new video, and this time for Gemini users, free users. So this is not working for work emails, work Gemini accounts or educational accounts, only for personal accounts. And basically this is a very simple trick that helps you both save time but also customize your experience with Gemini. So in this example, I took a YouTube video and I put it in my Gemini chat, basically to have a summary and list all the tips for comparing Things 3 and Apple Reminders, two apps that I was considering. And this, I was on the move, so I didn't have the full attention or time to go through the full output. And basically what I did is I taped TLDR. So this is a simple command, TLDR, and I got my basically TLDR response. And to give you an example, I'm gonna have another one here, which is Eli 5, which is basically explain it like I'm 5. And you'll see that just with that simple command in Google Gemini, I'm going to have a very special type of output. And this is how it looks like. So explain it to me like I'm 5 will use a very specific down-to-earth type of explanation, so nothing technical, nothing complex, nothing very technical, and give you the bottom line. Now, how am I getting these? It's through the special instructions. So these are custom instructions that you can basically customize and make them bespoke to you. And these are the two I'm using. So the Eli 5 is basically explain the current topic or the last response using extremely simple language, clear analogies, and absolutely no technical jargon. And the TLDR one, provide a concise, too long didn't read summary of the provided text or the previous conversation term. Condense the information into 3 high value bullet points that capture the essence, decision, or action items. And that's it. I don't need anything else, and I have more of these commands for specific project and use cases, but these are very two simple examples. So you can, let's say, if we want to run a brand new chat, let's say we're gonna use the first one. What are the latest developments from OpenAI compared to Google Gemini? So this is the initial request, and I'm sure we're gonna have a very long type of response, as you can see here, with a head-to-head comparison and directly the TLDR component with the summary. But if I want to launch the TLDR itself, from there I'm gonna basically have my command, which is a custom prompt that I can use directly in the chat itself. And this is it, TLDR summary, and I have 5 bullet points like I requested. So I hope this is helpful. You can customize and share your custom instruction in the comments, and let me know what works for you. See you in the next video.